hari umusazi bigeze kutuzanira yari umupapa ukuze, yari umuntu umusaza nubariho, yari afite ishyo rinini cyane, inka nyinshi zirenga nyinshi. Hanyuma abana be baza kumva ko umutware wanjye afite igiterane ahantu bita ryabega, sinzi ko muhazi, ni mu Mutara. Ibaza umusaza bashyiragaho iminyururu ariko akayica, bafunga ku maboko akabica. Ntacya yari afite umugeri kandi ubundi yarashaje, pagusaza cyane ariko yarakuze. Now inka ye sinzi niba barayiroza ariko n'uburozi, kuko bahita guhaka. Hanyuma ibyaye ibyara inzoka ndende koko. Yari kumwe n'abahungu be bagerageza kwibyaza, bagiye kubona bati ni ibiki noneho imera ukuntu, bagiye kubona haturumbutse inzoka nzima igenda. Inka ihitigwaho, inzoka babona iragiye irarenga. Batoke hashize amasaha nkangahe ninjoro baraho, murazi mu cyaro, babona igizite iragarutse, iraza neza, bayibona nka hariya irizinga ijya hariya. Bukeye barayirukana, bukeye babona iragarutse. Ariko se iragenda ikagira gute? Umusaza aravuga ati mbabwire, ni ugupfa no gupfa. Nibi biduteje impungenge, ntidusinzira, tuba turaha tukabona irinji, tukabona ibi ni ibiki. Inzoka irinjira ikinjira mu gikoni, no nibipfa. Abaturanyi bose bati muzehe ntiwica iyo nzoka, ibyo shyano waribonye, ibyo bintu ni biki, yihorere. Ati ntabwo bikunda, kuki itajya mu rundi rugo ikaza hano, ndayica. Umusaza baramubuza aranga, abahungu be bakuru aranga, afata azana ibikoresho byose yari afite, ajya ku mutwe ahantu yari yizinze, kubita rwana nayo ibanzira munanira, mu kanya irapfa. Yamaze gupfa nawe afungura ipantaro, aca ishati, maze ariruka ku musozi.
This is a man who had a problem, in years before. One day, because he was a herdsman, so one of his pregnant cattle reached a time of delivery. But to their surprise, instead of calving a real calf, it calved a snake. And they saw a snake coming out, and the cow fell down, and the snake moved out and went. But in the evening, the snake came back home. And the following day, like that, the snake would go and come. So the owner of the house, who is this old man, he said, this is unbelievable. We cannot allow. Why does it come to only our house? So all this is dead. We are so scared. We don't know why. He decided to kill this snake. So he killed the snake. Much as the son said, please don't do, because we don't know what this is. He insisted, and he killed the snake. After killing the snake, this is when he ran mad.
Arasara ariko bitari ibintu byoroheje, kuko yafite abahungu bakuru n'abari barashatse hirya, bavayo baraza bagerageza gufata umusaza, nta wabushoboraga, yarabakubitaga akabashyira hasi. Yes, akora ibintu biri bizarre, yihemukira ku mubiri, yikatakata, avuga ibintu bibi cyane. So icyo cyumweru cyakurikiyeho ameze nabi nibwo twaje. Hanyuma bagira gute, baramuzana. Ariko kumuzana nayo yarindi kose. Baramuzana, ndibuka abayobozi barabimenye, baraza muri ako gace aho twari, aho igitaramo cyabereye ryabega, baravuga bati rero uyu muntu